So in this video I'm going to show you how to reset a couple of settings that could get rid of this error message that you see if you've watched the other video and taken out the SIM card and reinserting the SIM card hasn't brought the phone back to life and kind of reset and got rid of this error message. Then keep watching. So from here we are going to reset our network settings, and if that doesn't work we're going to reset our app preferences because there may be a software glitch or an app that's causing this to happen. So let's go into our settings. So let's click on settings, and then we need to be scrolling down and we need to be finding system. So from system, let's click on that, and then we need to be going to the advanced tab at the bottom. Click on that, and then it's reset options, reset network settings. So this will reset all the network settings: Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, airplane mode. You want to then go back to the phone and see if you can make a call. If that's still not the case, then you want to go to this second option. So let's head back to settings and then to system. So we need to be at advanced, and then from advanced we need to be going down to reset options, and then this time it's the second one down, which is reset app preferences. So reset app preferences, this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications. So this is the including the airplane app, or the bit that makes the airplane mode work, background data restrictions for apps, and any permissions and restrictions. You will not lose any app data. You won't lose any app data, but it's worth mentioning that when I did this, my WhatsApp just wasn't behaving quite the same afterwards. Some of the contacts were missing. The numbers were there, but the names had disappeared, so please bear that in mind. And then once you've done that, go back to your phone and see if it's behaving as it should do, and hopefully that will have solved the problem.